Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is how to discover the power that learning a skill gives us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this presentation, we will play with an image and the shape of a circle. Learning a new skill is not only beneficial for personal growth but also for professional development. Acquiring a new skill can open up new opportunities, improve confidence, and enhance overall quality of life. Here we will see the design of the title slide of our presentation. The first thing we have to do is insert the image. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert, click Insert. Then we want to adjust the image so that it covers the entire design slide. Click the white dot, with Ctrl-Shift pressed, we drag the image until it meets the borders of our slide. Then we want to duplicate this slide. Right click from the left column above, duplicate slide, and we continue in the last slide. Now we want to insert an oval shape. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, click Oval Shape, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, size height 12 cm and width 12 cm. It's about 4.72 inches if you have inches in your settings. And we put the circle in the desired position. Then we click the image, click the circle, we go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Subtract. Then we want to insert another copy of our image. Insert, Picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We adjust the size again with the help of Ctrl and Shift and right click, Send to back. Now we have the image with a hole. We create it by subtracting the circle in front and the entire image in back. We click on the image with the hole we created by subtracting the circle, right click, Format Picture. We go to Shadow, we choose Inner, Inside Center, second row, second column. We go to Glow, Color, second row, fifth column, size 20, and transparency 60%. Then we go to Picture, Brightness, Contrast, we go to Presets, and we choose third in row, fifth column. And that's the result. We close Format Picture, and now we want to insert our title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Times New Roman font, size 66, bold, color white, and we write our title. Discover the power. Now we center the text, click the text box, we go to Shape Format, we choose Word Art Styles, in the second row, the fourth column, and we put the title in the desired position. Now we keep going with the title, we go to Insert, Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose again Times New Roman, 60 size, bold, and we use again color white, and we write Learning a skill. We center the text, and we go to Shape Format, Word Art Styles. We choose again the second row, fourth column, and we continue with the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again Times New Roman, font size 20, bold and text shadow. We use color white and we write the presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. We adjust it and we choose from shape format word art styles, second row, fourth column. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put in the transition. We choose the two slides, click and shift and click. We go to transitions ribbon, we choose fade and duration 1 on mouse click. Then we go to the first slide with the image and we click the slideshow button to see the final result. Click slideshow, click, and that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!